Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on your Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. Now, some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check that part, because you will have another path to find these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to find accessibility. On stock Android, it's located at the bottom. But here we have it, tap at this line, and then we need to find audio adjustment. And on stock Android, also I have it at the bottom. Right here we have audio adjustment, tap at this line, and right here we have volume balance. Now, if you have a problem with the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right. And now what we do, we just increase the volume on the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. For the left one is the same, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase it for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open Settings, and now we need to also go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. Click at the Accessibility line, and right here we need to also scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual. Tap at that line, then scroll down just a bit, and right here we have Volume Balance. To change the balance for your left earbud, you just move this dot, or if you have iOS 26 slider, to the left, and now we just increase the volume at the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, to change it for the right earbud, you just move this dot or the slider to the right, and we just increase it, increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!